What are the top 3 metrics you would recommend to measure the outcome from developer relations?
So a lot many people, this is a very easy answer to be honest. Like a lot many people choose member growth, touching developers. There are many ways to look at it. Like it depends also on the stage of the company. But I would look at like engagement as a biggest score. That should drive your North Star. Like say, for example, if you have a small community of 500 people, but they actively discuss everything between them, that means that you have a community. A community means users talk between themselves without your moderation, and without your there is something that is working. Like I think you would find this sort of a thing in foundation-led projects like Kubernetes or many other projects. You would also find with familiar products like Elasticsearch, right, where people help each other. People share that, oh, this is how it works. You would find it on Stack Overflow because there's a community that is helping each other. There's without any, like say, really glorious incentive of money or some sort of reward in any like manner. So I think developer engagement is one, and then of course you could always look at the learning rate, how many people are like learning and doing stuff like that, and then lastly, like you could see how dev is impacting revenue. Like I said again, you have all these goals. It's very important to have these goals, and but also not like just only driven by them. These are good metrics to look at. Like revenue impact is one big metric that helps everyone keep on toes and like figure out how the dev of the market is like shaping up.